friends, my name is Meenu. I am from Jalandhar city. Today I am going to tell you about my aim and my goal.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I am Nur Islam from Kishanganj, Bihar. I would like to talk about my goal.
Hello everyone, my name is Nabeen Kumar Yadav. I am from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. First of all, sir, thanks for giving me this chance. Today I am going.
I am Habiba from Wardha, State Maharashtra. My today's topic is what is my goal and what I am doing to achieve my goal.
My name is Sashti Patel from Indore. Today I speak about my goal. First, what to have.
My name is Dinesh Song. I am from Kolika. My today topic is what is my goal and what I am doing.
Hi friends, this is Rajiv Sharma. I am from Bihar. So today I would like to say something about my goal.
Hi friend, this is Pony Sharma. I am from Bihar district Kishanganj. So my dear friend, today I am going to say about my goal.
Hello friends, very good morning. My name is Kanchari. I am from Moria.
Hello, good morning sir, and good morning all my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to thankful to you all. My name is Gendo Kumar and I am from Grady, Jharkhand. Today's topic.
Good morning friend and good morning sir. My name is Suraj Kumar Singh and I am from Devghar, Jharkhand. Today my topic is what is your goal and.
Hi everyone, good morning everybody. I am Sher Singh, I am from Haryana. Thank you sir giving this chance to speak in front of people.
Hi guys, welcome back to Master D Friends. Friends, as you know that today's topic is what is my goal and how can I achieve my goal. तो मेरा लक्ष्य क्या है और मैं उसको प्राप्त करने के लिए क्या क्या एफर्ट्स लगा रहा हूँ. अभी ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स को आप देखेंगे और पता है इनका जो टारगेट था, कुछ समय पहले इनका टारगेट था कि ये इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते थे और आप देखिए इन्होंने मेहनत की, एफर्ट्स लगाए और आज ये सारे बच्चे जो है अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हैं. तो मेरा सिर्फ इतना सा कहना है, इन बच्चों को सुने, इन स्टूडेंट्स को सुने. उसके पहले ये कि सबसे पहले हमें छोटे छोटे टारगेट्स बनाने चाहिए, छोटे छोटे गोल्स बनाने चाहिए हमारी लाइफ के और उनको अचीव करने के लिए हमें एफर्ट्स लगाने चाहिए. मैंने खुद ने ऐसे कई लोग देखे हैं जो सिर्फ बातें करते रहते हैं, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है, मैं इसकी तैयारी कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये बनना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन उसके पीछे एफर्ट जीरो होते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आपको बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा, आपको हिम्मत दिखानी पड़ेगी और आपको अपने गोल को अचीव करने के लिए, जो भी आपने टारगेट बनाया है उसको अचीव करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा दोस्तों, आपको तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी, आपको उसके लिए प्रयास करने पड़ेंगे. तो देखिए बच्चों ने काफ़ी अच्छा बोला है, सबको मैं बताऊंगा. अच्छा, जो स्टूडेंट्स बोल रहे हैं तो उनको बॉडी लैंग्वेज पर काम करना है. देखो, मुझे आपको एक परफेक्ट लीडर बनाना है. तो परफेक्ट लीडर वो होता है जिसकी आवाज़ अच्छी होती है, ठीक है, जो बोलते समय अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज, अपनी पूरी बॉडी का जेस्चर का, पोस्चर का इस्तेमाल करें. चलिए मैं आपको दिखाता हूं कि कैसे आपका एक छोटा सा माइक भी आप चाहें तो खरीद सकते हैं. थोड़ा सा पैसा खर्च करेंगे, आप चाहो तो जो ब्लूटूथ वाला माइक होता है ना, हेडफोन होता है ना, जिसको हम एयरफोन बोलते हैं, जो 300-400 रुपये का आता है, अगर वो खरीद लेंगे आप तो आप मोबाइल दूर रहेगा तब भी आपकी आवाज़ अच्छी आएगी. तो या तो आप वो खरीद लीजिए या माइक्रोफोन खरीदें. माइक्रोफोन थोड़ा महंगा आएगा, 400-500-600 रुपये का आएगा. माइक्रोफोन खरीद सकते हैं अगर आपको सच में प्रैक्टिस करनी है, अगर आपको कैमरा फेस करना है. तो चलिए मैं आपको दिखाता हूं कि बच्चे कैसे मेहनत करते हैं. देखिए ये कितना प्यारा बच्चा बोल रहा है. आप ऑब्जर्व करिए इन्हें कि अच्छे से बोल रहा है.
I would like to talk about my goal. My dear friends, every person have on a different goal to.
अब देखिए दोस्तों क्या हुआ कि जैसे आपने देखा कि ये जो है अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज और अपनी आवाज़ सब कुछ देखिए कितना क्लियर है, अपना मूवमेंट, उसका मूवमेंट देखिए. तो मैं भी चाहता हूँ कि सभी लोग जो है इस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करें. मुझे पता है कि कई लोगों के मोबाइल में दिक्कतें हैं, हाथ में लेके शूट करना पड़ता है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अगर आप और इम्प्रूव करेंगे तो आपके लिए बेटर होगा. अल्टीमेटली आप अपने खुद को इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, हम किसी पर एहसान नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम सारा जो भी इतना कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, हम खुद पर इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, खुद मेहनत कर रहे हैं. दोस्तों आपको बता दूं कि ये सब करने के लिए, ये सब सीखने के लिए बड़ी बड़ी एकेडमियां खोल रखी है लोगों ने. लाखों रुपए लेते हैं, 3-3 साल के प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं पर्सनालिटी को ग्रूम करने के लिए. लेकिन मैं ये चाहता हूं कि आप घर बैठे भी अगर आप थोड़ा सा एफर्ट्स लगाएंगे, थोड़ी सी मेहनत करेंगे, अगर 1-2 महीने हमसे जुड़े रहेंगे तो आप एक बेटर लीडर, एक बेटर स्पीकर बन सकते हैं. चलिए आप सुनते हैं सभी लोग.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई एम नूर इस्लाम फ्रॉम किशनगंज, बिहार. आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट माई गोल. माई डियर फ्रेंड्स, every person have on a different goal to become successful, because every person in today's world would like to become successful. Everyone wants to taste success as soon as possible, but nowadays it becomes very difficult to choose the goal of life. As far as I concern, so I have also chosen a goal of my life. My main goal is to become a good teacher. I have made some rules according to my goal so that I may achieve my goal. I made some study system and daily routine. According to study system and daily routine, I dedicate my more and more time in studying books. I study till midnight daily. Whatever my teacher teaches, I listen to him carefully and remember it. And whatever my teacher gives us homework, I complete delightfully. I work hard as early as I can. Now, due to lockdown, I am in at home. Nowadays I am learning English by online. Thank you so much, sir.
Hi friends, this is Rajiv Sharma. I am from Bihar. So today I would like to say something about my goal. So I want to be an army because it is a good and respectable job. It is not only my dream but also my parents' dream. So I do very hard work for this. And I read too much and I take exercise also every day. To become an army, not only my parents but also my teacher help me. I do not only hard work but also a smart work for this. After being army, I will help my country. And today, if we are safe because of army, so that's why I like army. But whether I will be or not, I can't say. But I will try too much. So this is all. Thank you.
Hi friend, this is Puri Sharma. I am from Bihar district Kishanganj. So my dear friend, today I am going to say about my goal. So you all know that anyone they are on goal. So in this way I also have a goal. So I want to be a teacher in my life because it is a respectable job in society. So nowadays I do hard work and I read too much. So that I will able to achieve my goal. And nowadays I follow big teacher of our India. How do they teach of a student? So would you know that anyone cannot be a teacher, but I will try too much. Thank you.
Hello, good morning sir, and good morning all my dear friends. Firstly, I would like to thankful to you all. My name is Gendo Kumar and I am from Grady, Jharkhand. Today's topic is what is my goal and what am I doing to achieve my goal. So first of all, thank you so much sir for giving this opportunity, because now I am going to express something about my goal. So let's come to the topic. Let me tell you guys about my short-term goal. My short-term goal is I want to improve my English skills, and I want to be fluent in English, and I want to be a great native speaker like Kamlesh sir. And really I can do that within few days, because really I believe on myself, and really I am working very hard in my study. If I tell about my long-term goal, then I also have one long-term goal. My long-term goal is I want to be a great and brilliant teacher in my future, because I most like to be an English teacher, because I like to teach English. Really I believe that I can do that easily, because in this day I am struggling very hard in my life and I am working very hard about my study. So really I believe that I can do that earlier. At last I would like to say thankful to you sir, because of your support, because of your greeting. Now I am able to express my point of view in front of the people, so I am feeling so good. And I would like to request to all the person that who are watching this video, really if you want to learn better and the best English, then please subscribe this channel Master Study, and please press the bell icon, and don't forget to share this channel. Then you can also speak better, and really you can also learn better English within few days. So thank you so much all of you guys, and thank you sir for giving this golden opportunity. Take care and have a nice day all of you. Bye.
Good morning friend, and good morning sir. My name is Suraj Kumar Singh and I am from Devghar, Jharkhand. Today my topic is what is your goal and what do you do for achieve your goal. So let's start. As far as I know that every man has some goal, and every man do hard work for achieve his goal. So also I have only one goal, that I want to become a great teacher. And now I am going to speak about few words that what do I do for achieve my goal. Now I am learning English in YouTube channel with Kamlesh sir. So now I am reading in my home, and nowadays I do hard work and I do struggle, because I know that if I do struggle, then I can get success sometime later. So now I am learning English, and my English is now weak, and now I am learning English very well, and now I want to speak English very better and very well, like Kamlesh sir. So let's start, guys. As far as now that if you want to speak English, then you can try to speak English in your home, and you never think that I can't speak English. English is not hard. English is very easy if you feel that you can speak English. So thank you, sir. Thank you, guys.
Hi everyone, good morning everybody. I am Sher Singh, I am from Haryana. Thank you sir giving this chance to speak in front of people. First of all, I am going to tell about my subject. My subject name is What is your goal? I am going to tell about my goal. My goal is speak and learn fluently English in front of people. English is necessary for our life. We are facing a lot of problems due to English. And how can I speak English? I know very well. But how am I doing to achieve my goal? I keep on trying to speak fluently English through the Mass Study channel on YouTube. Mass Study channel for me very better, and I am achieving my goal little bit. Make short video in front of camera you can see every day.
My name is Meenu. I am from Jalandhar city. Today I am going to tell you about my aim and my goal. My aim to become rich businesswoman, and my goal to completing my graduation and learning spoken English and going to abroad and learning computer course and helping poor people and helping our country and completing my parents' desires and completing my all desires and now I am tell you what I am doing for my I am
from Mau district. Today I am going to tell about what is my goal. Thank you sir to giving me this chance to speak over here. My goal is in life to become an army officer and soldier. Everybody has their different goals in his life. I neither want wealth nor names or power. My goal is of my life to serve my motherland honestly, sincerely, as convincingly. My ambition is of life to joining the army. I deserve to become a soldier. I know that it is not a very easy, but serving the nation of our people, it's my dream. The army is so full of adventure and discipline and thoughtness risk. I feel I can serve my country best in this way. A soldier works with a mission, a soldier motto or to do or die. One has a very useful, very alert, very active or ductful. A soldier never wants a war. If it is forced upon him, he never looks back. A soldier away from their families, a soldier sacrificed so many things to protect of our people, of our country. I really love to protect my country.
I am Habiba from Varta, State Maharashtra. My today's topic is what is my goal and what I am doing to achieve my goal. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. I am going to tell something about this topic. My goal is to become a commercial pilot. I have to take math subjects and science subjects after 10th standard in 11th standard. I have to take chemistry and physics in science subjects. I have to work very hard to be a pilot. I have to take a person 90 above in 12th standard. Then after 12th standard, I have to take admission in top flying schools. My math subject is so weak, so I am focusing on the subjects. I know without math I can't successful and I can't do it and I can't become a pilot. I want to get a scholarship to become a pilot, and I want to get a top pilot degree. Thank you so much for.
My name is Dinesh Solisong. I am from Kolika. My today topic is what is my goal and what I am doing to arrive my goal. First, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to tell about my goal. First, I want IPS, and I am very struggle and hardworking. And
My name is Srishti Patel from Indore. Today I speak about my goal. First, what to have a goal job I enjoy doing and be happy in my life outside of work. What I do for my goal. My current short term goal is to pursue a short course one marketing and further develop my digital marketing institution in a job similar to this one